Yes everyone, it's Let's Boredom and welcome to my latest video. And today, as you can see, I'm just a bit lazy in my bed, and let's be honest here, I haven't been doing a lot these past few days since I made the video It's Over. I actually plan to do some action today because I won't show you my room because it's a filthy mess. And not only my room, but also my car. Follow me around, you're going to see how my car will look like, and then you will see how I'm going to clean it from inside and out.
We are here in the box in my parking garage where I usually park my car. I don't have enough space to wash my car outside of my house because I don't have direct access to a street nor to a hose, and I cannot park my car in my backyard, so that's why I have to do it here. But here it's illuminated, you got ventilation, everything, and I got a few things already ready, so here we go. The car, you might not see it very well, but it is pretty filthy. I haven't washed it for like 2 months, and that's the way how it looks like from the front. I removed the plates because I want also to clean behind them, and it's also easy to clean behind. And as you can see, insects everywhere. Like even here, the dope, I thought it was a scratch, but it's actually a stain, it's dirt. And off we go here at the windscreen. Yeah, it is filthy, absolutely. And up here on the details, here the mirror caps, absolutely disgusting. On the sides, here below the door handle, everywhere, here. The rims actually look pretty okay, but of course they are black, so you don't see the stains that well. Now we go from the rear. Yeah, the rear windscreen. It is also absolutely filthy. White is actually a pretty nice color if you don't want to see stains that well, but I must be honest with you, I'm not really a big fan of the white color, and you see the stains still pretty well, even though on camera it might not look that great. I already got my stuff ready, what I want to show you with what I'm cleaning. So here I got 2 buckets. This one I will use as a rinse bucket, and this one will be the bucket where I put in the sponge and the soap, or better said, the car shampoo. I'm going to use those 3 products. I'm going to use this insect remover, and then this rim cleaner, and this shampoo. Like, it's just coincidence that I use Nigrin, but I think Nigrin is pretty nice, so I got pretty good stuff to go with. And I got this also, like this box with a few microfiber towels. Let's open it up. Like I got this one from Lidl for a couple of bucks, so that's not really expensive. And you get this box, you get an insect sponge, a sponge, polishing cloth, microfiber glove, microfiber all-purpose cloth, and a windscreen cloth. So I'm going to use the sponges, but first of all I'm going to use this hose. Well, I have a power washer in my house, but I felt like, nah, it's too much of a hassle bringing it all down, and I don't have much time, and I think a clean would be necessary, but I think a hose would be enough because this one delivers enough pressure, so it won't be that bad, right? So, off we go. There's a tripod, and I'm going to bring it right there, and maybe enjoy you from this or from another perspective. Here we go. Okay, so I rinsed the whole car off, and now I was able to remove a few stains in the front with insects and so on. It's always important that you make a good rinse beforehand, because that will make all the loose dirt come off and make the car easier to clean. So now I'm ready to get into the bucket, get a sponge. And I suggest taking this one because it's for insects, and off we go. After every single use, you'd better rinse the sponge off. And then, after you rinse it off, squeeze it for a bit and then put it again into the bucket so that the water doesn't get contaminated when you put it into the other bucket. Because the dirt is not coming off as easy as I thought it would be, I go and take up this insect remover and I'm going to spray a bit of it on the side mirrors. Also here on the front bumper. On the front grille as well. Because this one will eventually help to decrease the difficulty to remove the stains, and it really helps a lot. I use this all the time and it works absolutely fantastic. After a couple of minutes or seconds you can just wipe it off and it will remove easily. And same as on the other side mirror, will go off without any problems at all. Like the headlights, they're the most affected ones apart from this here, because this part is like a magnet for insects. The rings always have to be clean because it's an Audi and they should be shiny. Here in the front on the bonnet you don't find here a lot of them because I cleaned them already up, but that stuff what's remaining, it's actually chips from the streets and from the roads, because an Audi is typically a magnet also for little stone chips. So now that everything is rinsed off, it looks so much cleaner now from the front. There are barely any stains left, like a few chips here and there, but that's something what I cannot clean up. That's just hard luck, I must say. And the rest, it looks absolutely fantastic. And also the dope, it's clearly readable again. That's really, really nice. And also the other mirror cap, really, really good. It's time to take the big sponge and start from the top all the way down to the bottom. Then we take the sponge and rinse it off. Okay, as you can see, I rinsed it completely off and it looks now a lot better than it did before. So what I'm going to do now is wipe the car off, wipe the windows off, and also after that I'm going to clean the rims. This is the microfiber towel glove, and with that, just like before, you start from the top and all the way to the bottom, like this. You wipe off the water. Like so. Okay, now after this is done, like you still see it's a little bit wet, but this doesn't matter because we're going to apply now this little water thingy. Hopefully it will do a great job, but I need to spray quite a lot of it because my rims, they have a lot of spokes and it's not easy to clean them at all. And this thing smells absolutely disgusting, but if you have like silver rims and so on, it will be totally worth it, believe it or not. Like, you will not regret it when you clean the rims with this thing. I'm going to get the windscreen cloth and I'm going to wipe all the glass areas, including the mirrors. So what you're gonna do is put it like this and then just wipe it gently away, because that way it's not going to remain stains whatsoever. You can do it also like this in circles and then get it clean again. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen, check it out. It's clean again, it's again in a really nice shape, and also the rims, they look really good. Like, I know it's a little bit difficult to see because they're black, but this doesn't matter. Now I'm letting it dry for a while and later I'm going to give it a little drive. It looks absolutely fantastic. Like, I don't remember when I've seen it for the last time that clean. I believe it was before the quarantine was going on here in Switzerland and also before my exams. So it is absolutely stunning to see it again in such a great shape from the outside. It is a little bit difficult to clean it down here, but for me this is not a problem, since with a sponge or sometimes even with a toothbrush you can clean with ease. Like, it looks absolutely stunning, and also the mirrors, like, really good. They're clean, spotless, absolutely great. From the inside I'm not going to clean it today, I'm going to clean it another time because right now I'll be busy with a few other things and I also have to edit this video. So how do you like the result? Leave it down in the comments below. I'll be really glad for your feedback. Also, if you came until this point so far, give me a thumb up. You will make me really happy for that. That was it from my side. I hope that you really enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe in order not to miss any of my future videos. Want to stay in touch with me? My Instagram account and my Discord server are both linked in the description down below. Stay tuned and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye.